Hey mates, what's up? Welcome back to CP Breeze Tech. This is how to run a Monero full node on TORSOCKS, so your wallet never has to rely on remote nodes. Let's begin. Download TORSOCKS image, verify and create a bootable disk. First I'll show you how to do it on Windows, then on Linux. It's recommended to use SSD, but I'm out of budget, so I will use hard drive for this lab, but it will be extremely slow. Now I'll show you how to download, verify it, and create a bootable TORSOCKS disk on Linux. After you create the bootable disk, reboot your machine. At your BIOS, choose to boot from USB and choose Tails on external hard drive. Create persistent storage and give it a password. Reboot back to your operation system. Connect and mount the bootable TORSOCKS disk. Enter your persistent storage password. Open as root. Download the official Monero-GUI wallet and verify. extract the files, run Monero-D to download the blockchain, copy the Monero-GUI wallet to the persistent storage, extract it, change the wallet folder name to an easy name because we're going to use it for a script. I call it just Monero-GUI. After Monero-D finish download and seek the blockchain, it can take a couple of days sometimes. Go to your home directory and copy bitmonero folder to the persistent storage. Since I already have the blockchain on my node, I don't need to wait it finish downloaded. So I just copy the blockchain data file to the persistent storage bitmonero folder. Create a script file under persistent Monero-GUI folder. Add this script, make sure the path is correct, same as your setup. You can add any arguments you want, like username and password, and etc. Save the file and reboot your machine. Choose unbiased boot from USB and select Tails external hard drive. Enter your persistent storage password and create administrator password as well. Connect to Tor network. On File Manager, go to Persistent, show hidden files. Run terminal. Now we need to make sure that all the files and directories are owned by amnesia user and group. Change directory to Monero-GUI and give the script executable permission. Run the script. Monero daemon is now syncing with the blockchain. Since Monero tries to resolve peers' domains, but because test block clear DNS and routes request over Tor, you'll see port 53 DNS errors in the log, which is normal, just ignore those logs. Alright, Monero is synced with the blockchain. You can type status and print connect to see which peers we are connected to. All good, we can open our GUI wallet. Create a wallet or import your own wallet from a file or seeds. Keep wallet location default, it's easier unless you want to change it. Choose connect to remote node even though we connect locally. Go to settings, nodes, add remote nodes, enter localhost address, and I forgot the port are set in the script, so let me check, one moment. Alright, RPC port 18081. Since you're running your node locally, you can mark the daemon as trust. Alright, wallet has been synced with your local node. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, great success. Cheers, mate.